10 ways to earn money online for college students in 2023. Online tutoring. College students can offer online tutoring services in subjects they are knowledgeable in. They can find students on platforms like TutorMe, Chegg, or Wizant. Freelance writing. College students who have good writing skills can offer their services as freelance writers. They can find clients on freelance job boards or by contacting websites and blogs in need of content. Online surveys. College students can participate in online surveys and get paid for sharing their opinions and feedback. Blogging. College students can start a blog in a niche they are passionate about and earn money through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and advertising. Social media marketing. College students can offer social media marketing services to businesses in need of promoting their products or services. Transcription. College students can offer transcription services to businesses or individuals in need of transcribing audio or video content. Graphic design. College students who have expertise in graphic design can offer their services to businesses in need of logos, websites, or other design work. App development. College students who have coding skills can develop and sell their own apps or offer their services to businesses or individuals in need of an app. Online reselling. College students can buy and resell products on platforms like Amazon or eBay for a profit. Affiliate marketing. College students can earn commissions by promoting products on their blog or social media platforms. They can sign up for affiliate programs on websites like Amazon Associates or ClickBank.